Hello everybody, welcome to Setmatics channel. My name is Faisal and in this video I'm going to talk about actuarial science as a career in India. In a brief, actuarial science is about using different mathematical methods and statistical analysis to assess risk in the finance and insurance industries. In most of the countries, actuaries are licensed professionals and they have to pass a series of exams to attain the license from the respective government bodies. If we talk about actuarials as a field of study, then it involves a lot of interrelated subjects including mathematics, finance, probability, economics, computer sciences, and statistics. Actuaries usually work in different divisions of finance, business, and government, including life insurance, endowment and trust, health insurance, pension industry, and social security funds. An actuarial professional will perform the calculation of the premium by analyzing the mortality and further analyzing the rates of disability, morbidity, mortality, fertility, and other contingencies. In the pension fund, they develop strategies with regards to the design, funding, accounting, administration, and maintenance or redesign of pension plans. Actual sciences, when it comes to the career or the job perspective, then they are constantly rated as one of the top 3 skills for finance professionals across the world. And there is a huge demand for actual sciences professional. Any person who wants to become an actual science professional in India, then they has to pass the entrance examination of Actuary Societies of India. To become a qualified actuary in India, there is a requirement that he or she should be a fellow of Actuary Society of India or other recognized bodies of UK and Australia. When it comes to eligibility of the examination, then having mathematics and English in 10+2 is the basic requirements which makes you eligible to give the entrance examination of Institute of Actuaries of India, that is also known as IAI. So when it comes to the entrance examination of IAI, any professional who is a 10+2 or even undergraduate can opt for the actuaries examination. After successfully clearing the entrance examination, the student will become a student member, and post completion of all the 15 papers, the student will become a qualified actuary. There is one more institute known as Institute and Faculty of Actuaries, IFOA. It will allow you to directly start with CET1 or CET3 as non-members, and then you will continue your journey of completing the rest of the 15 papers. IFOA also accepts membership based on the basis of your 12th results, whereby you will become the member of the institute right after your 12th examination. The IAA exams are comparatively little difficult but much more cheaper with respect to IFOA. Due to high demand, most of the companies do hire students who are student members of any of the body and who completed minimum 3 papers, and they will sponsor the rest of the examinations, that is up to 15 papers. If you talk about the paper or topics in the actuarial course, as I mentioned you, there are altogether 15 subjects to be clear for the full qualification or to become a fellow, and they are arranged in 4 series of subjects. So the first series is core technical series, that is CT series. In the core technical series, you will have 8 theory and 1 practical examination. So altogether, you will have 9 subjects, and all the 9 subjects are compulsory. And the second series is core application series, that is CS series, and in it you will have 1 theory and 2 practical examinations, and all the 3 subjects are compulsory. The third is a specialized series. It is known as specialist technical ST series, and you have a choice of selecting 2 out of the 7 to 8 listed subjects. And the fourth is specialized application SA series, and in this series you have a choice of selecting 1 out of 6 listed subjects. So now coming to the first series, core technical series. In the core technical series, as I mentioned you, all the subjects are compulsory. So in the core technical series, you will be studying the subjects related to CT1, that is financial mathematics, CT2, finance and financial reporting, CT3, that is probability and mathematical statistics, CT4, that is models, CT5, that is general insurance, life and health contingencies, CT6, that is statistical methods, CT7, that is business economics, CT8, that is financial economics, and CT9, which is a practical paper, and it has to be given as online. It is an online module, and it is about business awareness. And after completion of the CT series or core technical series, the student will progress to the CA series or core application series. And in CA series, all the papers are compulsory, and the papers are CA1, it is actual risk management, CA2, model documentation analysis and reporting, and CA3, it is about communication, and it is a practical series. Post completion of the CA series or the core application series, the student will progress to the specialized series, the specialized technical series. So in the specialized technical series, the student has a choice of selecting 2 out of 2 papers. So the choices are ST1, that is healthcare, ST2, that is life insurance, ST3, that is pension and other employee benefits. Then there is ST4, it is about finance and investment. ST4 and ST5 is about finance and investment. So you have so there are 2 papers, finance and investment A and finance and investment B. Then after that there is ST6, it is about general insurance, reserving and capital modeling. And there is ST7, it is about general insurance pricing. And at last, ST8, it is about enterprise risk management. So in the ST series, as I told you, you have to select 2 subjects from the above mentioned subjects. And after that, the student will progress to the specialized application series, usually referred as SA series. So in the SA series, the student has to select 1 out of the 5 papers. So the choices are SA1, it is again healthcare, it is about healthcare application. Then SA2, it is life insurance, it is about life insurance application. Then SA3, it is about general insurance. So it is about the application of the general insurance in various in the various industries. Then it is SA4, it is about pension and other employee benefits. Then after that there is a SF5, it is general finance topic. Then there is a SA6, it's about investment and hedging. And so in the SA series, the student has to select 1 subject out of the above mentioned topics. Now once the student complete all the 6 series, so the student has to first has to see that they has to pass the examination in a series of format. So first they have to clear the CT series, and once they passed all the CT series subjects, then they can attempt the CA series, then ST series, and then at last the SA series. So when it comes to the employment and salary of the actual professional, then a qualified actual professional in India with at least 1 to 2 years experience, they will usually earn the salary in the range of 9 to 12 lakhs per month. When it comes to the employment or when it comes to the job requirement, so the actual professional, they are the backbone of insurance industry and the pension industry, and they are mostly recruited by the banks, insurance companies, hedge funds, venture capitalists, pension funds, financial companies, and mutual fund corporations. Few actual professionals with sufficient amount of experience, they will start their own consulting practice, whereby they will give consulting to the banks and financial institutions. Furthermore, if you're looking for an alternate career and has good competence in mathematics and statistics, then Actuarial is one of the best career pathway. In the coming year, the demand for qualified actual professionals will further grow due to the general population exposure to the banking and mutual fund industry. Mostly the participation from the tier 3 cities and the rural areas in the banking and the financial domain is further giving the rise to the actual industry. If you're 10 plus 2 professional or an undergraduate professional, and you're looking for a career in actual sciences, then you can connect me via phone or email. My contact details are mentioned in this video. And if you want to create the awareness about the actual sciences as a career, or if you want to suggest actual sciences as a career to your network or your friends, then you can share this video. If you like my work, please support me by clicking the subscribe button. Thanks for watching this video. Stay blessed.